Hey there, y'all! I'm so glad you're joining me in my kitchen today. Let me tell you, this isn't your grandma's meat pie, unless your grandma's from the Midwest and has a secret recipe up her sleeve. This is the kind of dish that gets the family running to the table before I can even set down the pie server. First things first, the crust. Now, don't go reaching for one of those store-bought pie shells. I promise, making your own is easier than you think. All-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, butter so cold it almost bites back, and just enough ice water to bring it all together. I use my hands because, well, that's how you get the love in there. Now for the filling. Oh, honey, this is where the magic happens. I brown up some ground beef, but don't be shy with the onions and garlic. Let them get all friendly in the pan until your whole kitchen smells like a Sunday afternoon. Add in some carrots, peas, and a handful of secret spices. Okay, I'll spill one, just a hint of smoked paprika for a little Midwest twist. Spoon that hearty filling into your homemade crust. Top it with another layer of dough, and don't forget to crimp those edges. I like to brush the top with a little egg wash so it comes out golden and beautiful. Pop it in the oven, and trust me, the hardest part is waiting for it to bake. When it's bubbling and golden, slice into it and watch the steam rise. That's the Midwest calling you home, right there. One bite and you'll see why this recipe's been in my family for generations. Thanks so much for watching and cooking along with me. If you haven't already, welcome to Global Family Cookbook. And please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single delicious moment.